bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house, bored.
I'm looking dusty, freaking crusty. Okay. This is unacceptable. We are all in lockdown. Not in lockdown, in quarantine. Why? You might ask why. Because it's a pandemic. It's a pandemic. And my hair is looking crusty dusty, so what better to do in a pandemic than to dye my hair? I'm not coming out of this pandemic looking crusty dusty, so we gotta fix up. I didn't get my nails done. I barely do my makeup. Listen, I've been starting to look like my dad recently, and he's not okay. Okay. So I've got my hair dyeing outfit on, and I'm ready to rumble, okay? Yeah. So I washed my hair yesterday because it was...
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Yeah. I went outside like that. So after I saw that, I went in, washed my hair. I bought all my stuff to dye my hair with before all the shops and everything shut. It's alright because we're all stocked up now, kind of. I bought what I could. Beggars can't be choosers, do you know what I mean? It's a pandemic. So, I got my trusty bleach. Jerome Russell, as always. If you're one of those people on my last hair dyeing video that commented, "Oh my god, I knew her hair was gonna break as soon as I saw the volume 40 developer." I already knew that was gonna break my hair, thanks. But it's all I had. I got the volume 30 this time. Thanks. If this doesn't bleach my hair properly this time, it's your fault. No, I'm joking. Let's hope it doesn't break my hair, because my hair did break, look. You people were right. Then I got a comb to separate my hair. We're gonna be professional today. I got some hair scissors because my hair is very broken. Okay, look, just don't come for me. Just don't do it. I don't need it. I'm trying to fix it, right? Look.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Does anyone want to let me know why my hair is 7 lengths? So my friend is coming over tonight to help me chop a straight line into my hair. Stupid bitch. It's going to be shorter, which I'm really sad about because I love my long hair. We just got to do it because this is just looking like a bit of a ratchet operation. So I've got 2 scissors. Don't need the thinning ones because the bleach does the thinning for me. Last but not least, this was the only toner they had in the shop, okay? I really don't like this toner. Let me have just a quick replay of what it did to my hair last time. Yeah, I've decided we're not doing that again, okay? This is only for emergency scenarios. If my hair is orange and looking dustier than it already is. Listen, I'm ready to come out of this pandemic in a glow up. So we're gonna pray for the best, yeah. Before I start using this, I'm gonna use my Wella T18 toner, which I didn't have a developer for. So I'm gonna try and use this, or maybe half this and some conditioner. Do you know what? We'll work it out when we get there, but we're gonna pray. And it's all gonna be fine because my hair's gonna look so good. Let's get started. Okay, what have we got?
The fuck is this? You don't do that to cut your hair.
I don't think you're ready for this jelly. Cause my body's too delicious. Oh, so I'm gonna be so sad I have short hair.
It's literally like an inch. And it
How
has
much?
To go. Sorry.
But won't it fall out more when I bleach it?
Good point.
Like, can we just take a minute for the rest of my hair? I don't know. Okay.
You don't know whether to cut an inch off your hair?
You fucking bitch! You're so fucking rude!
Don't be fucking rude. Are you kidding me? I swear to God,
Don't be fucking
What are
rude and
you
throw the thing on
doing?
me. I'll fucking hurt you. Don't do that.
How much?
I'd say 2 inches.
How much is that?
That much. Interesting.
Okay, should we cut my hair? Yeah. This is a problem though. Oh. Can you?
I'd prefer not to.
Okay, we have to do this, don't we? Because even if I fix this, this will not look good. Or
Yeah.
will it? Is this doable?
No, that needs, the ends have to go. I'm sorry.
How much? Show me. On here now. Oh, that looks.
That
ain't it.
Out of the ends of your hair.
Sabrina! Why are you exposing me? Don't, because now I'm gonna have to zoom into this section. I'm not cutting it this short.
Maybe a good start would be to get it all the same length. I'm only joking.
No, you're not. Who would have thought? Me, my best friend. My best friend doing me dirty.
Look at us, huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
Yeah.
So it'd be about that much.
Yeah. But like then your hair will grow like healthier. If I'm not to speak. If I speak, I'm in big trouble. Wait, put it behind to your back and then I'll have a look. All of it.
Wait, ah!
Don't scare me. Turn around. No, that's not much.
Just under my titty.
Just on your titties.
Yeah, alright. I mean, just. Okay.
Okay, I know how to do it. I know how to do it. Nah, at the end of the day, it's like a bit of hair.
Yeah, I know. But
Make sure you don't move. Like, literally don't move at all. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it in one straight line.
Where's my hair now? Show me.
It's there. Right, that's
Whoa,
there.
my hair's long.
Yeah, but that's nasty.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Now shut the Okay. I'm pretty sure that's done.
Wait, where did you cut it into? That's so much! I don't want to look. Do you realise how much bleach that took?
Ah.
Oh, it feels so much better.
I know how to do it. I'm gonna leave now. It's fine.
Sabrina, what do you mean?
I just cut a straight line.
Look.
Alright, let me fix it.
What?
It's fixable.
I'm sweating.
You don't have to cut it that short.
Yeah, because you, Sabrina, the smallest piece is there.
Yeah, but I literally did a straight line on your back.
Did you?
It's fixable.
How about I try and do it in the front, and then you fix it in the back? Just no more of this. They're probably looking at this thinking, oh my god, put the scissors down.
Once it's tidied up, it'll like be a lot better.
Once it's not in 7 different postcodes. It's like
You
surgery.
can hear a pin drop in this room right now. What are you doing?
I'm fixing your mess. I'm fucking fuming.
Guys, I'm sorry for being dramatic, but my hair is my comfort blanket, and the longer it is, the cozier the blanket, you know.
Oh, fuck.
That looks good.
No, it's 2 different lengths.
Do you want me to quickly?
No,
Okay.
I do not. I do not consent.
I don't take offence. Yeah, it looks straight now. And it looks so much thicker at the ends. Looks a lot better for it.
Okay guys, anyway, so this is my cut hair now, RIP. Next time, look!
It's okay, it's okay!
I think it's time to start actually bleaching the fuck out of my hair. I need to hurry up because I take so long to do everything. I don't know. Why? Oh, I've got water in there. I have a bowl, as always, and a brush to, you know. And then I have my rusty, dusty, crusty clips. I think we're gonna have to retire these. Let's see if I remember what to do. Please tell me this is on dirty hair. I fucked it. I don't know why I thought you were supposed to do it on dirty hair. It literally says on clean, dry hair. I'm gonna Google this.
Is it better to bleach dirty hair?
You wash your hair before colouring. The dye or bleach may burn your scalp because it won't have the natural oils to protect it. I told you I'm a professional. Don't. Just let me have this one. So I'm gonna take some bleach. It says always wear protective gloves. It's a pandemic. Empty the remaining powder from the bleach sachet into blah, blah, blah. Okay, whatever. This one time I opened this and I sniffed it. For 10 minutes I couldn't open my eyes. Don't know why I thought that was a good idea. Cream peroxide, whatever the fuck it is. And we're gonna yeet it in there. ASMR. Am I supposed to put the whole thing in? What is it talking about? I don't even need that. I'm a professional. Gonna mixy. These gloves are so annoying, but it's a pandemic. These are my favourite videos to make because then people can laugh with me, do you know what I mean? And then I'm not just crying for nothing when I do it wrong. No, I'm joking. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it so good. People are gonna be shocked. I'm gonna be shocked. My mum's gonna be shocked. My grandma's gonna be shocked. I don't remember how I do this. Because I'm just gonna separate into 4 sections. Look at me talking like I know something. Did you see what I did last time to my head? I let this grow out way too long. I'm regretting this now. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply the bleach in sections. I'm gonna do this first and like here. Look where you see it first. And then I'm gonna do the back of my head. I'm just gonna time lapse all of this because it's boring. So it's all applied to my head now. We're gonna wait an hour and see how it turns out. I love this mullet that I have going on. I hope it bleaches. I'm literally praying to Jesus Christ himself. I don't know.
I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage.
Everyone from the supermarket staff to the transport workers to the carers to the nurses, we can be in no doubt that each and every one of us is directly enlisted. Each and every one of us.
So this is my hair. My room's really freaking yellow, so you can't tell that it's really yellow. It's not that bad though. It could be literally orange, but it's yellow. Anyway, while I was in the shower, Boris Johnson put this country in lockdown because it's a pandemic. What do I do? Am I supposed to tone my hair now? Well, that would be really stupid, wouldn't it? Because I'm supposed to be packing to leave. Well, this video is just not what I expected it to be. My entire house that I live with at uni has just been running around packing to leave right now. Should I be leaving right now? I mean, at least the bleach is out of my hair. Did it work in the back? Oh, who cares? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I know they have to do what they have to do though. We all have to stay safe. I'm just gonna try to calm down. Right, guys. So, my head hurts. So, I washed it all out last night and I was having a little bit of a breakdown over the lockdown. I might as well fix my hair, right? I have nothing better to do. I probably should be doing uni work, but that's all right. My hair right now is the CEO of Carrot. It's a little bit orange. Actually, it's not that bad. I don't know. Maybe the CEO of a lemon. So yeah, we're gonna tone it. Take a minute to just pray to the hair gods that I come out looking like a bad bitch and like Khaleesi. Apparently this is a godsend. So I'm just praying it's gonna work for me. I was going to use this last time, but I didn't have a developer, but I've left half of a bottle of volume 30. So what I'm thinking is 1 part volume 30 developer, 1 part conditioner, and then do the other half Welity 18 toner. I'm just winging it, okay? But I am a professional, so I'm going to do half of this. Oh, doesn't this look like a little swig bottle? Like, don't do that. Ooh. Ew, that doesn't look right. Just went on my leg. Oh! Okay, so then I'm gonna mix some conditioner in it. I hope no one is looking at this thinking, oh, that's what I'm gonna do, because don't. Oh, welcome to my Ratchet hair salon. Right, so the girl in the video, I don't know why I'm following that video. Because I'm a professional, so I'm just gonna do it my way. I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know. I know I look stupid. Don't tell me. I have a few minutes left until I need to wash this off, so I'm gonna put on the rest of my hair. It literally goes. I'm gonna leave this on for like 2-3 minutes and I'm gonna wash it out. Alright guys, so I've gotten out of the shower and I've done my makeup. I haven't taken my towel off yet. Look, it's got bleach stains on it. Hear me out. In my head, if at least my face looks good and I take the towel off, then at least my face looks good. That might make me feel a little bit better. Plus last time when I was editing and I took the towel off and it looked disgusting and I took the towel off to a horror scene, the fact that my face looked busted as well really made me almost have a mental breakdown. Okay, so let's talk about this. It looks a little bit yellow still, I can't lie. No, it has toned it, it's worked, but I'm concerned. So we're just gonna see. Okay. I'm just a little bit traumatized from last time, but I'm not gonna open my eyes. I can't. Whoa! Wait, no, look, it's still yellow. Do you see? It's not even. Can you see that? I'm just gonna shut up. I always put this 3 Miracle Oil Reconstructor from Aussie in my hair. I'm just, you know, it's okay, it's okay. If this turns out horrible, then I can't even fix it with anything because I have nothing else to fix it with and I can't go to the shop because we're in a pandemic. We're just gonna think positive. It's gonna look so good. It's gonna look so, so good. I'm gonna blow dry it because sometimes it looks worse when it's wet.
Guys, I know the right thing to do would be to not have this blow dry. But
you've been whinging about the whole time.
You know the situation with me, yeah. So if I have it done, you ain't got to put up with the moaning.
I have no words. I have no words. I actually have no words. I have no words. I have no words, so you know what? I'm gonna write it down instead. As soon as I saw what I'd done, I had to take it to Snapchat and let them know the Je m'appelle bad bitch. If you watched my last video where I dyed my hair, I still get violated for that. So just let me have this, alright? Oh my gosh, I just can't. I feel like myself again. You know how uni's closed now? That's it. I'm a hairstylist, baby. Thank you, Jesus. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video because dyeing your hair with me is always a journey. Maybe it helped you a little bit because I actually got it right this time. So don't follow my last video. If anything, follow this one. I hope you enjoyed it as I'm a happy girl. So thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
You should not be meeting friends. If your friends ask you to meet, you should say fuck